Tycho. Yeah, that's Tycho's eye. Don't touch that though. How are you doing, Tycho? Oh, that's your eye, Isaac. Hello, buddy.
Another cuddle.
You Tycho a lot of cuddles this afternoon, Isaac. That's Tycho's hand. That's Tycho's shoulder. That's Tycho's foot. Where's your foot? Where's your foot, Isaac? That's right. Tycho's feet are a bit smaller than yours.
Another big cuddle.
Let me give you a bit of a smile, Tycho.
Oh, hold on, Isaac. Yeah, there's the water.
Hello, buddy.
You come around here. And you
Seem more alert when you're sitting up.
You come around this way.